Oven's already preheated at 350 degrees. We have our 6-low pan ready. We're getting ready to use all of our ingredients here. We got the eggs, the lemons, the sugars, baking powder, butter, lemon extract. And we're going to be making a nice lemon glaze with this too. So this is going to be fun. It's going to be exciting. And it's going to be tasty. If you like it real lemony, like us, feel free to add lemon juice to your taste. Bake until the tester comes out dry. Just let that wonderful, beautiful glaze ooze into your cake. So let it sit for a while before you enjoy. There it is. You made it. You worked hard on it. Why not take a bite and enjoy? Certainly, that wasn't so hard, was it? Enjoy your culinary work of art right away. Or you can wrap it in plastic and put it in the refrigerator. It's sure to last at least a week. And enjoy. Until next time, Elaine Scott Harris from Cuisineist Confidential.